Hi everyone, welcome on board. This is Anisha here, and I'm here with a very big, important, happy news for all of you guys that NMIMS has finally declared the cutoffs, and the cutoff this year is 235 for NMIMS Mumbai. So, if you guys remember watching all my past videos, I know I've been telling you guys that the safe score is like a 240 or a 245, but I always mention to you guys one thing that my gut feeling says that the cutoff should be somewhere between 232 to 237, right? But that's a good thing for all of you guys who still believed in the hope that we can make it even at a 240. And I'm very happy when the students are sending in messages that, ma'am, you were the only one who said 240 pay, I can get a call at NMIMS, and we have got that. Just focus on overall sectionals being very safe and nice. So that's a really good thing. Let's check out what are the final official cutoffs of NMIMS this year. So let me quickly present that to all of you guys. So these are the NMIMS cutoffs this year for 2021. The MBA program, which is the main Mumbai campus core program, overall it's 235. Sectional cutoffs are 76 for all of them, which is very good, and happy for all of you guys. Even like for non-engineers as well, quants has not eaten up a lot for you, and for engineers verbal has not eaten up, because a lot of people were fearing verbal to be somewhere like an 80 plus, right? Good thing. Sectional cutoff for all the other programs is still not the same. Only the Mumbai main and MBA HR, which is Mumbai campus, the cutoffs are same, which should also always be. Both of those campuses are amazingly doing well in all the programs, placements, and all of these things. Okay, so 235 with 76 sectional cutoff is the program cutoff for MBA and MBA HR program, both Mumbai campus. Okay, good thing is now the off-campus programs are no more called as PGDM. Even they have become MBA. So at the end of it, wherever you're doing your MBA from NMIMS, all the programs, all the campuses, you will have MBA and not a PGDM. That's a very good advantage for you. Okay, NMIMS Bangalore and your Navi Mumbai are at the same cutoff, which is 230. Sectional cutoff being 73 in each of these. So Bangalore and Navi Mumbai are at par with 230 overall, and sectional cutoff of 73. Okay, then comes our business analytics program. Again, this is Mumbai main campus. Okay, business analytics program, 2 years Mumbai, 210 overall, and sectional cutoff of 60 each of the sections. And same cutoff is for our digital transformation program. Again, this is Mumbai campus. This is a program in the MBA Tech. So you have Mukesh Patel College, which is there, the MBA Tech program. There they have started this new program this year called as MBA in Digital Transformation. So all of you guys who are like high technology and want to study all of these interesting transformational digital technologies coming up these days, like AI, ML, and all of these things, this would be a really nice course for you guys. Okay, then comes my sectional cutoff being 200 for Indore and Hyderabad, which is there. Okay, so you have 55 in each of these sections for Indore and Hyderabad. Okay, one very interesting program which is there, which is as popular as our MBA core, is the dual degree program, which is called as the MBA in Decision Science and Analytics, which is MBA in Mumbai, 1 year, plus the Purdue University program of 1 year. This also, the cutoff is 235. All the previous years, the cutoff for this used to be lower. This time it's 235, because it's an a very upcoming program, because you get to spend one entire year with Purdue. You have faculties from Purdue training you guys on all of these things. Amazing new program, 235 with 76 sectional cutoffs. For this, you will have to give an additional IELTS or a TOEFL later on. You all can check up the details of the program later on up ahead. Okay, but this is a clear cut clarity for all of you guys about the sectional cutoffs. Where to check it, guys? Check out the official site of NMIMS. Go there and check out. I know since morning everybody has been hysterically checking out through all the links and everything which is there, but now your official cutoffs are out. 235 is in your hand. Party's on for you guys. Be happy. You have got a call from Mumbai, Bangalore, NMIMS, Indore, Hyderabad campus. A lot of you guys have been asking, should I look at NMIMS Bangalore? Is it worth doing Hyderabad, Indore, or not? I'll give you guys one quick advice. Convert the call then say whether it's worth it or not. Okay. First job is fill in, check out your interview dates. You would have your interview dates coming up as early as your 19th Feb, 18th Feb, which is there. So let's gear up, prepare for the interviews, make sure we are doing really well. Okay. We have done a lot of efforts to train you guys for your CDPI, people who have started before the what PI. Okay. So let me give you guys quick summary of what the process is. Okay. You will have a written analytical test, which is going to be submitted through a Google form. You will have a personal interview online on Zoom. So we are going to be training you guys for all of those things. In fact, I have a team of 20 people from NMIMS working in all the best top-notch companies across, name it, any industry, finance, or you call it FMCGs, or you call it IT consulting. All of them are up here. We are going to be taking your mock interviews, grilling you, giving you guys feedback to make sure what and how to do to make sure you are able to convince everybody why should they select you at NMIMS. All right. This is our time. This is our forte area. I love training you guys for interviews. I always told you guys, get me a call and we'll convert that for you. Tonight, 10 p.m. is my first class for all of you guys who are joining on board today. We are going to be studying all the different types of case-based written analytical test which you can get. Considering NMIMS has had a CDPI for years, you can expect the written analytical test to be a caselet, which is what used to always come for HR program as well also. But we will be studying all the different types of what as well also in the due course of time. So don't worry. You have what topics, how to approach what, all the current affairs, previous sessions which are done on all the good topics. You should be knowing videos available for you to understand right from everything like budget or farm bills or in the education policy, what's happening in the Amazon versus Reliance industry. All of these topics done for you guys to read, build your concepts, knowledge, so that you all can use them in your interviews as well as your written analytical test, plus amazing functional dossiers to teach you basic concepts of marketing, finance, all of them. इतना पढ़ लिया तो interview crack कैसे नहीं होगा? I'll change my name. But you'll have to make sure you're working hard. 1 hour every day live class not to miss, and plus 1 hour of self preparation from the things which we will tell you guys to do. Okay, I'm going to write down to all of you guys. You will start with watching all the build your interview answers videos, start preparing your notes, make your diary, write the answers to all of them, watch all the recorded videos of the current affair topics so that our knowledge spectrum is higher than the rest of the people. Read the functional dossiers, that's like a mini MBA to know all the concepts of marketing, finance, consulting, operations, HR, everything before you sit in for your interviews. All of these things which will be helpful for all of them. And plus, we will be having mock interviews by all NM alumni who are going to be taking that up for all of you guys. And tonight, for all the students of who are Mumbai NMIMS call getters from our Cat King course, we'll have a Zoom call with all of these people tonight itself to make sure we start on a positive note and make sure we kill it up. All right, so all the best. Check out the link in the description. Sign up before 10 p.m. Let's get started. Let's go and convert this call for you. All right, thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned to all the updates always for you guys for NMAT and NMIMS.